Hey everyone, I was away for a couple of months and I decided to give you guys a quick update what's been going on in the last few weeks and why I was absent. So to quickly give a summary of what this last term is going to be about, so that you know what to expect. Two things that I want to talk about. One is the quick recap of the winter semester 2021, how it's been. And another thing I would be talking about is what I'm doing right now, that I started my summer research. So I've been away for a couple months now, primarily because I was trying to finish that semester really well, which I achieved. I'm really happy with my grades. And another thing is, even it's been a month since the semester has ended, but I could not record anything because we started a pretty big renovation in the house and I had no space to record in. And as you probably noticed, I have different surroundings. I got a new office space now, as I had to give up my old office as a bedroom for one of our older kids. And yeah, so it's been a mess in the house. I had no space, and even right now, it's pretty messy all around, like books on the floor and stuff like that. I have to finish that part, but at least I have a separate space to film right now, and that's great. So I can go back to my regular filming, and yeah, keep you guys updated what's happening, and hopefully post some interesting stuff for you. So back to the semester. As I said, it went really well. I finished with 1A, 1A plus, first A plus ever, and a B. It was an honors lab. Well, I'm not quite happy about this one, but I think it's okay. This semester has been very chaotic, and it wasn't really going as planned at first, and so it threw me off a little. So I was catching up all the time, and so I had to stop doing any YouTube work because really I didn't want to mess up with my grades anymore. Yeah, but still, I feel like I could have done a little better with that B on the lab, because where I slacked a little bit is on the writing the reports. I know that they are not perfect. I mean, the first one was good. I got an A in the first one, but then after that, it was like at most a B for each report. And yeah, I guess that's okay. It doesn't matter now. And I got an A plus on the computational physics class. It was a super fun class. I loved it, and I got some good experience from it. It's funny though, like the class started with one assignment that I perceived particularly difficult, and believe it or not, I was crying when trying to finish it. I couldn't get it done. At the end of the day, I finished it with a lot of help from our TA, and I got a good grade, but I thought I would never do it. Yeah, so I kind of overcame this struggle, and at the end, it played out really well. And the third course was quantum mechanics too. So I got an A in that as well, which is awesome. And so now I'm really happy with overall how I finished that school year. It's all good. And now that I'm doing summer research, I'm learning so many things. My summer research started on May 12th. 12th, yeah. And it involves a few things. So it's not only the physics behind the artificial spin ice systems, which is mostly statistical mechanics, and some quantum, I guess, because it involves spins. Yeah, so this, and then all of the computations that the group I'm working with is doing, they're doing on the computer cluster at the university, at our physics department. So I'm learning how to submit jobs to computer clusters, so remote clusters that are capable of performing high performance computations. And yeah, this involves learning how to, well, of course, using the terminal. Like you can't get away by doing anything else. There is no GUI that is dedicated to this. You have to learn how to use terminal. So that one thing, I had to learn how to use terminal, and then I had to learn how to submit jobs to that remote cluster, how to get the output and copy to your machine and stuff like that. Like there's a whole thing dedicated to this. And also, I'm learning parallel computing because what we want to do is we want to potentially optimize the codes that are there right now, and optimize them to be able to run in parallel, like on different computer nodes, so that it computes faster. So I'm learning parallel computing. And I'm also learning Monte Carlo simulations, because in simulating that artificial spin ices dynamically involves Monte Carlo algorithms. And yeah, so this is what I'm currently learning. So kind of four things: Julia language, because all code is written in Julia. I'm learning Monte Carlo stuff. I'm learning high performance computing and parallel computing. So four things at least. And if you add StatMech on top, five probably. But it's really fun. It's really interesting project, and I do enjoy it. So that's so much for this. What's going on, and I guess you can expect a lot of videos coming this summer related to these topics, because it naturally offers itself for further discussion. And yeah, I would have some fun trying to tell you guys all about this, what this whole thing is about and how it's done. Yeah, so if you have any questions, leave comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as I can. I think that's it. That was intended to be a very short update, and yeah, I see you guys very soon, I hope. Bye.